Shopping for Induction is now overwhelming. So many brands, so many features, so many prices. So let's cut through it. These are the 6 best 30-inch Induction ranges for 2026. I'll show you the pros and cons of each. For $18.99, LG gives you really competitive features for a 30-inch Induction range. You get 4 induction zones, a powerful 4,300-watt burner, which is more output than the 3,700-watt max on many other units on this list. The interview door allows you to look inside, just tap it twice, see inside. There's a cookware compatibility feature that rates how well your cookware works on the burners. And with the app, you can also scan the barcode on a pre-made meal, and the oven will select the cooking time and the temperature for you. LG was the most reliable induction brand last year, based on over 33,000 appliance repair calls completed across Massachusetts by our in-house service team. The trade-offs: air fry doesn't work well, and that's true for every brand in this video. Also, you don't get bridge elements, so if you're cooking with an odd-shaped pan, this isn't the ideal choice. Around $26.99, GE brings experience. They've been selling inductions since the 1980s, longer than anyone else. You get 4 powerful cooking zones, including a large 11-inch element, and controls that are straightforward and easy to use. What sets GE apart is service. Through their Bodwell service network, you get factory-trained techs and remote diagnostics, so issues can be fixed faster. Something that matters if you're not buying from a dealer with his own service department. They're probably not. The trade-off: GE's reliability rate was a little bit higher than LG's, 11.4%. At about $37.99, Bosch is a smart choice for your building or remodeling. It's a true slide-in range, so the cooktop overlaps your counters for a seamless look, no seams to trap crumbs. Performance-wise, you get the 37-watt element burners in the front, responsive glass touch control panel, and a built-in warming drawer. The warming drawer is a big deal. Buying one separately can cost over $1,100. And here you can keep food hot for up to 3 hours without drying it out. The trade-offs: the oven is smaller at 4.6 cubic feet compared to LG's 6.3 or GE's 5.4. And one important note: Bosch's freestanding induction ranges are built by SMEG, which we don't recommend. Stick with the slide-in model if you're considering a Bosch. At around $4,500, Cafe is the only 30-inch induction range with a true double oven. You get 6.7 cubic feet of space split between a 2.7 cubic foot upper oven for quick meals and a 4 cubic foot lower oven for turkeys, roast, or sheet pans. It's also the most customizable. You can choose finishes like matte white, matte black, or stainless, and pair them with 6 different handle options: brass, copper, bronze, and more. The trade-off is the low ovens at the very bottom, so pulling out a heavy turkey means bending extra low. But if you want a range that feels personalized and love the flexibility of 2 ovens and a footprint, Cafe is in a category of its own. At about $8,000, Miele is the most technologically advanced 30-inch induction range you can buy. The advantage is the M-Touch control panels. They're simple. Pick what you're cooking, tell you how you want it done, and the oven figures out the rest. Miele also offers steam assist, which is completely unique in a range. You can have up to 3 bursts of steam while roasting to keep meats juicy, or use it in a bread mode to create that crisp crust. In fact, it's the only range that can truly bake bread effectively. The best part is it will be done automatically for you. Want a sourdough? Just hit the sourdough button. Inside, you get twin convection fans, which give you better airflow and more even cooking. Now, 30 inches is not as critical as in the larger 36. Still makes a difference. Trade-off is the price. At $8,000, Miele costs more than Profile or Bosch. But if you want the most advanced oven features in a 30-inch oven, this is the one. At about $9,000, Miele is the best premium 30-inch induction range for good reason. Cooked up now is bridge elements, so you can link burners together for a griddle or oversized pan. The oven uses 2 convection fans, similar to Miele, but Wolf goes further with extended heating elements that spread heats more evenly across every rack, whether you're baking cookies or roasting a full pan of vegetables. You also get gourmet mode. Pick what you're cooking, choose how you want it done: rare, medium, well. The oven calculates time, temperature, even the rack position. Trade-offs: $9,000 is expensive for a 30-inch range. And we sell and service induction ranges, and you can see all of these brands in action. Our 6 showrooms: Boston, Framingham, Hanover, Hyannis, Nantucket, and Norton. And hey, if this video helped, hit the subscribe button. It tells us to keep making honest appliance reviews for you. Now click this video if you want to learn about the most reliable induction brands for this year, and thanks for watching.